Namaste, dear students. First of all, let me welcome you to our English virtual class of grade 5. Dear students, I hope you are already ready with your English textbook and an exercise book and a pen or a pencil. If you haven't taken them out, please take them out first. Have you taken them out? Very nice. So today, first of all, you have to turn your pages of your textbook, Unit 8, in which we are going to learn a passage about an animal. And what is that animal? You have to guess yourselves. Don't worry. To guess, I will give you some pictures. We will recite a short chant, then it will be easier for you to guess what we are going to learn about in our today's class. Okay? So for it, be ready. And you have to watch me and listen to me very carefully. So all of you, be ready. Dear students, now you have to look at the slide. I want to show you a chant. And first of all, we will recite the chant together. Okay? So, the chant for you is, now look at what's written here. Let's recite a chant. Okay? So, what do you see in the picture here? Fine. See, there is an animal. Okay? And then you can find 3 persons are there, and they are looking at this animal. So can you name this animal? You can make a guess. Later on, you will know when we start chanting, when we start reciting. Okay? And the short chant for you is, see, let's chant it together. Now all of you, start. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, where have you been? We have only seen you in books that you are in. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, why aren't you here? I want to know what made you all disappear. See, once again, please recite this chant with me. Okay? So let's start. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, where have you been? We have only seen you in books that you are in. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, why aren't you here? I want to know what made you all disappear. See, it means that today we are going to learn about an animal, a big animal, a huge animal. That is, so look at this picture and tell me, or I want to show you again the picture to guess. Look at the pictures, okay? This is same picture. And one more picture I want to show you. So first of all, try to answer it. What do you see in the pictures? See, this is an animal, but you have to tell me its name. So I want to show you another picture of this animal, okay? And it will be easier for you. See, wow, dangerous, eh? And strange. Have you ever seen this animal really? No. Have you seen it in the movie? Maybe. Have you seen it in the picture? Maybe. Have you watched it in the cartoon? Yes, you might have. So, see, how do we know the existence of dinosaurs? Yes, today we are going to learn about a huge animal, that is dinosaurs. And can you tell me, nowadays, do we have dinosaurs? No, you are right. But how do we know the existence? How do you say that there were dinosaurs in the past? Now, these days, we don't have dinosaurs. But in the past, there were dinosaurs. So, how can you say there were dinosaurs? Can you tell me? Don't worry, because I will tell you later and you will know. how we can say that there was the existence of dinosaurs. Okay, so it means it's very clear to you that today we are going to discuss about a big creature, a big animal, that is, yes, dinosaurs. So once again pronounce the word dinosaurs. Once again, dinosaurs. So once you have to tell me the spelling of dinosaurs. See, Dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Once again, please spell it Dinosaurs, dinosaurs. So is it clear to you? Very nice. Now, I want to show you a short video of dinosaurs. Okay, so enjoy watching this video and then we'll discuss the passage about the dinosaur that's given in our Unit 8 of English textbook of grade 5. Let's watch it. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed watching a short video of dinosaurs. So I hope you might have noticed that there were different types of dinosaurs in the past. You watched in the video that there were different species, different types of dinosaurs. So it's very interesting. So huge creature, So we are going to discuss about this animal, about this creature. So our today's topic is dinosaurs. So we are going to discuss about dinosaurs. So look at the picture, dinosaurs, okay. Then I will talk about it later. This picture, second picture. Now you first of all listen to me. I want to read it, and later on you will read with me together and we'll discuss some difficult words. Okay, words and meanings we will discuss, and later on we will do some exercises based on this text. So let's start reading it. First of all, listen to me. See, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs suddenly disappeared millions years ago, together with a large number of species. We know about their existence mainly from fossils found in rocks. Fossils are usually formed when an animal falls into sand or mud and is quickly buried. The soft parts of the animal decay and become the part of the mud, but the hard parts like teeth, bones, cell, etc. remain. These parts make shapes in the mud and that help scientists find out many things about the species that disappeared millions of years ago. Dear students, I have just provided you a model reading. Now, once, please you also read with me together. Okay, let's start. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs suddenly disappeared millions years ago together with a large number of species. We know about their existence mainly from fossils found in rocks. Fossils are usually formed when an animal falls into sand or mud and is quickly buried. The soft parts of the animal decay and become the part of the mud, but the hard parts like teeth, bones, cell, etc. remain. These parts make shapes in the mud and that help scientists find out many things about the species that disappeared millions of years ago. Okay, so here first of all I want to explain you and then we'll discuss about these highlighted words. Do you know the meaning of disappear? This that we'll talk. See, it means that millions years ago, many years ago, in the past, there were a large number of, big number of animals, species, and they were dinosaurs. Okay, but nowadays we can't see dinosaurs. Nowadays we don't have dinosaurs because they were already died. In the past we could find dinosaurs. Okay, they were suddenly died out. So why? Later on you will know the reason. See, in my second picture I asked you, how do you know or how do we know the existence of let's say dinosaurs? How could we say that there were dinosaurs in the past? See, we know about their existence mainly from fossils. So the scientists have been studying about their fossils. Do you know the meaning of fossils? See, look at this second picture. It is an example of fossils. For example, dinosaurs were died, and at that time when they were in the sand or they were in the mud or they were in the rock, at that time their hard parts like bones, teeth, they remained there. And when the scientists have been studying such things, they found that the shape of the dinosaurs. Okay, and then they could say that there were dinosaurs in the past. Even the scientists did not see the real dinosaurs. Okay, they just studied from the fossils. See, this is you can see this is mud or you can say rock. Okay, and on the rock you can find this hard part of the dinosaur remains there. So this remaining is called fossil. Okay, so by studying these fossils, the scientists have come to the conclusion that there used to be the dinosaurs in the past. Is it clear to you? Very good. See, fossils falls into sand, which I have already told you. The soft parts of the animal decay and become the part of the mud. See, the soft part, for example, you can say flesh, you can say skin, that was decayed and that mixed into the mud. So we couldn't study about that one. But the hard parts of the body of the dinosaurs like teeth, bone, cell, remained in the mud or in the sand or in the rock. And by studying that one, the scientists have made a conclusion with the proof that there were dinosaurs in the past. All right, see. These parts make shapes in the mud and that helps scientists find out many things about the species that disappeared millions of years ago. See, look at, you can find here the shape of the dinosaur. See, here is the head, this is mouth opening, okay, eye, then neck, then body, you can see its legs here, okay, feet, and then you can say main body and tail like this. So if you look at this picture, and this fossil is similar to this one, all right. So that is how the scientists have made a conclusion, and they have studied about the dinosaurs, and studying this type of fossil, then the scientists made the pictures, videos of the dinosaurs. Okay, is it clear to you? Very nice. Now you should know how to pronounce these words like disappeared. I have highlighted some unfamiliar words for you. So first of all, let's pronounce these words. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, disappeared. So you also pronounce with me, please. Disappeared. Once again, disappeared. Now one more time. Disappeared. Very good. Now let's pronounce this word. First of all, spell it S-P-E-C-I-E-S, species. So you also pronounce with me, species. Once again, please. Species. Now one more time. Species. Very good. Now another word we have. First, spell it E-X-I-S-T-E-N-C-E, existence. So pronounce it once again, existence. Okay? Once again, existence. Now, one more time, existence. Very good. Now another unfamiliar word, it may be for you. So first of all, spell it F-O-S-S-I-L-S, fossils. So pronounce it once again, fossils. Once again, fossils. Now one more time again, F-O-S-S-I-L-S, fossils. Okay. Now another word, decay. So pronounce it. First of all, spell it D-E-C-A-Y, decay. Pronounce it once again, decay. Once again, please, decay. Now one more time, decay. So do you know the meanings of these words? So from this context also you should know. Dinosaurs suddenly disappeared. Nowadays we can't see. So the meaning of disappeared, I want to show you later. So first of all, existence. So what do you mean by existence? It means alive. So in the past there were dinosaurs. Okay, they were not died out. They were there. So existence. They had life. Okay. Another, fossils. So what do you mean by fossils? Fossil means remains of animals. See, the dinosaur had been died. Okay, but its remaining is there in the mud, in the sand, in the rock. So this part, remaining part of the animal is fossil. Okay, so remains of animals. So do you know the meaning of, let's say, decay? Decay means rot or spoil. For example, this dinosaurs remaining, this is only the bone of the dinosaurs, but skin, flesh, it did not have here because it was already decayed. Okay, so decayed means rot or spoil. Another word we have now, disappeared. Disappeared means died out. Nowadays we don't have dinosaurs. Okay, now one more word, that is, yes, species. S-P-E-C-I-E-S. Species means types. See, look at, there are different types of dinosaurs, and I showed you in the video also. You could see there different types of dinosaurs, different species of dinosaurs. Okay, so are the meanings clear to you? Well, then I want to show you another. Here also you can see in the picture different types of dinosaurs. See, all the dinosaurs are different from each other. Okay, so let's read this another paragraph from our textbook. So first of all, I want to show you a model reading. You just listen to me, and later on you have to read it with me, and then we'll discuss about words meaning. Okay. See, There were many types of dinosaurs judging from the fossils found. There were carnivorous dinosaurs called theropoda, and there were herbivorous dinosaurs called sauropoda. Herbivorous had much longer necks and they had large powerful jaws and very sharp claws. Another group of dinosaurs was Ornithischia. It can be further divided into other various types. Such dinosaurs had two heavy legs, plates along their back and tails. They also had heavy armor on the head and body. Now you have to read with me, okay? So let's start. There were many types of dinosaurs. Judging from the fossils found, there were carnivorous dinosaurs called theropoda, and there were herbivorous dinosaurs called sauropoda. Herbivorous had much longer necks and they had large powerful jaws and very sharp claws. Now another paragraph. Another group of dinosaurs was Ornithischia. It can be further divided into other various types. Such dinosaurs had two heavy legs, plates along their back and tails. They also had heavy armor on the head and body. So, see, I showed you in the video also, and look at this picture also, you can find different types of dinosaurs. And I have already told you that how the scientists have made the conclusion that there were many types of dinosaurs, many species of dinosaurs, because they studied from the fossils. Okay, they found different fossils in different shapes. Okay, so from there they found that there were different species of dinosaurs. Look at this dinosaur is different from this one, this is different from this is different from this, and they all are different from each other. Okay, so the scientists found from the fossils. Okay, not only that much, dear students, another interesting thing. What do you think? Do all the dinosaurs eat meat, flesh, or do all the dinosaurs eat plants only? What do you think? It's very interesting, you know. So what do you think? Yes, the scientists found that, see, there were carnivorous dinosaurs. So what do you mean by carnivorous? You have to make a guess. I'll tell you meaning later, okay? And those dinosaurs were called theropoda. Okay, carnivorous means that it's something, whether it is meat, whether it is flesh, or it is plant. You have to just guess. Herbivorous dinosaurs, they are called sauropoda. Do they eat only plants or meat? You have to find out. Okay, so it means that the scientists have found the dinosaurs could be categorized. Okay, we can differentiate dinosaurs into two types based on their food. See, one type of dinosaur ate, let's say, meat, flesh, okay, and meat-eating dinosaurs are called theropoda. Okay, and there were other types of dinosaurs, they ate only plants, and they were called herbivorous. Those dinosaurs are called, let's say, sauropoda. Okay, so don't forget, the dinosaurs which ate meat, flesh, were called carnivorous. The dinosaurs which ate plants were called, let's say, sauropoda, and they were called herbivorous, plant-eating dinosaurs. Flesh-eating dinosaurs were called carnivorous. Okay, and herbivorous, see, those dinosaurs which ate only plants had longer necks. You can find, see, this type of longer necks. Okay, longer neck, long neck, you know, and they had large powerful jaws. You can find jaws, see, okay, these jaws are without teeth, you know, that is also very, let's say, powerful. And then very sharp claws. Claws means this type of, see, this type of these parts are called claws. So herbivorous dinosaurs had, you shouldn't forget, longer neck, large, powerful. Jaws, this type of jaws, with our teeth, and then claws. Okay. Now another paragraph. Again, there was another type of dinosaurs. See, another group of dinosaurs was Ornithischia. So, those another type of dinosaurs were called Ornithischia. And it can be further divided into other various types, and such dinosaurs had two heavy legs. We could find heavy legs, okay? Heavy legs, plates, along their back, and then tails. You can find tails. See, dinosaurs, let's say, have tails also. They also had heavy armor. See, this part is armor, okay? This part of the dinosaur is armor. This part of the dinosaur is armor. Even you can take it as an armor, okay? So, what is armor? You can tell me later. This dinosaur has also armor here. Look at. So, on the head and body. See, on the head and body. Okay, body, and you can find on the head. So, after this, I just like to tell you the meanings of these words. So, first of all, let's practice pronouncing these unfamiliar words. So, let's start with this one. So, first of all, spell it Carnivorous, carnivorous. So, pronounce it with me again, carnivorous. Once again, carnivorous. Now, one more time, carnivorous. Very good. Let's practice pronouncing this word. First of all, spell it out, okay? Herbivorous, herbivorous. So, pronounce it herbivorous. Once again, herbivorous. Now, one more time, herbivorous. Very good. Now, another word we have, claws, claws. So, spell it claws. So, pronunciation is claws. Once again, claws. One more time, claws. Very nice. Now, another word, armor. First spell it ARMOUR, armor. So, pronounce with me, armor, armor. One more time, armor. Now, the meanings you might have already guessed from the text. Now, I want to show you the meaning. See, carnivorous means flesh-eating animals, animals that eat meat, okay? Herbivorous means animals that eat plants, okay? Armor means protection. See, this armor protects them. That is why it is also called protection, armor, okay? Saves from danger, saves from enemies, That's why armor means protection. Then claws means nails. I have already shown you in my explanation. Nails, okay? Claws means very sharp claws, Now, you can see the picture. Wow, it's very interesting and looks lightning, this, that, dangerous. So, the text, last paragraph we have is, many scientists believe that the cause of extinction of dinosaurs and other species was a large asteroid crash into the Earth. According to this theory, the asteroid threw huge amounts of dust and water vapor into the atmosphere that blocked the sun light and caused many types of vegetation to die off. So, the dinosaurs starved to death. So, from here, what you have to understand, the dinosaurs were died out million years ago, many years back in the past. Why? Do you know the reason? See, the scientists have said that they were died because of asteroid crash, means one small piece of planet, okay, that crashed, that dashed into the earth, okay, against the earth. And at that time, when that dashed the earth, when there was a crash of asteroid in the earth, at that time the earth was full of, it means in the atmosphere, it was full of dust and water vapor. So the dinosaurs might not respirate, breathe, So that blocked. And another reason, because of that one, that blocked the sunlight. See, if we don't get the light from the sun, what would happen? Oh my God, it would be really difficult for us to live, Even the big creatures like dinosaurs were killed. See, there was the blockade. The sunlight was blocked, and this atmosphere was filled with dust and water vapor, That's why the dinosaurs were died. And at that time, not only dinosaurs, dear students, vegetation, other plants were also died off. Other plants also could not survive because the environment, the atmosphere was not suitable for this big creature. So, if we don't save our environment, if we don't save our atmosphere, one day there will be a big threat to us, and we may also die, That's why we have to save our atmosphere. Even this big creature, dinosaur, were died off, So very dangerous. So the dinosaurs starved to death. See, they were killed. Now, you just practice pronouncing this word. I think these paragraphs are also clear to you. Let's practice pronouncing. First spelling. extinction, extinction means out of life, okay? Extinction. Once again, please. Extinction. Very good. Another. asteroid, asteroid. Once again, please. Asteroid. Once again, please. Asteroid. Very good. Another one is crash. C-R-A-S-H. Crash. Once again, crash. Once again, crash. Very good. Another. atmosphere. Atmosphere. So pronounce it once again. Atmosphere. Once again, atmosphere. Okay. Another. vegetation. Vegetation. Once again, pronounce with me. Vegetation. Once again, vegetation. One more time. Vegetation. Now, another word is starved. Spelling is starved. 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 Once again, starved. Very good. Now, the meanings of these words are, see, extinction means died out, not alive, okay. Asteroid means one of many small planets. Look at dashing here. One of many small planets, okay. Crash means dash. See, these things dashed the earth, okay, from here. Atmosphere means climate, or you can understand as air. Vegetation means plants, okay, I told you. Starved means died of hunger. If we don't get food for a long time, what would happen? Surely we would die, So the dinosaurs were also starved because the vegetation was also died off, and there was water vapor and dust in the atmosphere, and the sunlight was also blocked. That's why they could not survive, Dear students, now we are going to do some exercises. From the above text, find the words which are similar in meaning to the following. The first letters of these words are given. So you have to find out the words for these, let's say, meaning. Okay. See, I have already told you the meaning. So you have to just tell me, and later on you can write it down at your home in your free time. See, number one, died out, no longer in existence. So what is the correct word? You have to start with E. So that is, yes, extinction, extinction. Another, process of getting destroyed or rotten. You have to start with D, rot or spoil. I gave you the meaning, So the correct word for this meaning is decay, D-E-C-A-Y, decay, Another, the remains of animals and plants. I have shown you the, let's say, picture of that one also, and that starts with F. So the word is fossils. Okay, fossils, fossils. Another, various classes of animals, types of animals we have discussed. So the word for this is, tell me. Oh yes, that is species. SPECIES, species. Another, flesh-eating animals, so easy for you. Yeah, what is that? Okay, that is carnivorous. CARNIVOROUS, carnivorous. Another, plant-eating animals. Oh my God, again very easy word for you. That is, yes, herbivorous. HERBIVOROUS, herbivorous. Another word, one of many small planets. Oh, I showed you in the picture also. That is, that starts with A, and that is asteroid. ASTEROID, asteroid. Now the last word and meaning, died of hunger. See, no food. And the dinosaurs died because of that hunger. The word is starved. STARVED, starved. So have you done correctly? Very good. Now let me ask you a few questions. Write short answer. See, what were carnivorous dinosaurs called? You can find it answer from this paragraph. This is the picture. From here you can find. Okay. See, there were carnivorous. See, carnivorous dinosaurs were called theropoda. These are the main words. You have to find out the answer from your passage. Carnivorous, theropoda. See, carnivorous dinosaurs called. So your answer should be, let's say, carnivorous dinosaurs were called theropoda. Okay. Another, which had got longer necks. From here you can find answer. Herbivorous had much longer necks. These are main ideas for you. And from here you can write down answer. So your answer should be what? Yes, herbivorous, or you can write down sauropoda had got longer necks. Okay. Likewise, which had got sharp claws, which had got plates along the back and tail. You have to write their answers at your home. And another question I want to ask you, what did a large asteroid cause in the atmosphere? You have to write down its answer. Okay, so you have to complete it at your home. Dear students, now I want to give you a home assignment. So the home assignment for you is, let's say, dinosaurs. We have learnt about dinosaurs, So write a paragraph on dinosaurs in about 75 words. So you can start your paragraph like this. Dinosaurs were wild animals, and you could add there were different species of dinosaurs. You can add like that one. Okay. So don't forget to do your home assignment. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed our today's class about the text Dinosaurs, and also I hope that you learnt how to do comprehensive exercises after reading the text. This much for today. Have a nice time. Goodbye.